So here's the boat. This is a Sea-Doo with the Rotax engine. 180 Challenger is the model, but it's a 250 horsepower, basically a jet ski motor with an impeller instead of a prop. Quick video to show you how I check the voltage on the battery, make sure it's good for the season. I'm going to use a regular multimeter. These are about 10 bucks. You can get them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. You can get a Harbor Freight just about anywhere. They usually use a 9-volt battery, have all kinds of settings, but the one you want is this 20 volts, and that'll show here that we're looking for about 12.5 volts, and if we get that, then we know this battery's holding a charge and be good for the season. So there's our battery down in there with the green top. I'm going to put the red on the plus side and the black on the minus side. And we're coming right in at 12.45 volts. So I think we're going to be good. Now if that had come in at 11, 11.5, 11.7, it's probably not going to start. When you're charging these up, you're going to charge them up to a little over 13 volts. And on steady state, it should be holding around 12.5 for a healthy battery. So I think we're going to be fine. I'm not going to bother putting a charger on it. We're going to lower this boat into the water today and then crank the key, and I know it'll be fine. So that's it. That's how you check the battery voltage on your boat battery. I hope this helped, and if it did, please like the video, and that'll help other people find it as well. Have a great day.